If you just bought a home, this information is going to change your life. Let me explain. Buying a home is probably going to be the most expensive purchase of your life, and you have to take care of it. Here are some tips to take care of that investment. One of the first things you want to do when closing on a house is changing the locks. The last thing you want to see at 2 a.m. in your birthday suit is your drunk neighbor with a key, holding a beer, and smashing walls. The next thing you want to do is clean your gutters on a regular basis. When gutters fill up like my bladder does, it overflows and can eventually cause damage to the foundation, saving you time and money. I know my pants don't like it either. Make sure you change your air filter at least every 3 months. You want to make sure your furnace is running in tip-top shape so you don't freeze your butt off when it goes out. The fourth thing is, make sure you clean your dryer vent every 6 to 12 months. Not only can it cause fire, but it can also make you think your dryer is not working properly. It might stop you from buying a whole new dryer or even calling a repair guy. And the last thing is, make sure you always save for maintenance repairs. You never know when things come up. You don't want to be stuck with no working toilets. I mean, that's not always a bad thing, right? You could always go outside. Nature is always calling. Which tip helped you the most? Comment below.